If you have important files on your computer, there's one thing you should never ignore: backup. Because the truth is, your data can disappear at any moment. A system crash, a virus, a bad update, or even accidental deletion can wipe out years of files in seconds. That's exactly where EaseUS Todo Backup Free Edition comes in. It is a powerful backup tool that lets you protect your entire system, important files, hard drives, and partitions. So if something ever goes wrong, you can restore everything quickly without losing your data. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use EaseUS Todo Backup Free Edition to back up your files, system, or entire drive so your data stays safe no matter what happens to your computer. Let's get started. To make things simple for you, I have placed the official download link in the pinned comment below. Just use that link and it will take you directly to the official page for EaseUS Todo Backup Free Edition. And one more quick tip: when you use this link, you will also be able to see any active discounts or promotions that EaseUS is currently offering. Once the page opens, you will see several options including free, home, and Mac editions. If you are just getting started, you can click free download to install the free edition first. If you plan to do advanced things like cloning your system to an SSD, creating bootable recovery media, or restoring Windows to different hardware, those features are available in the home version, which unlocks more powerful backup and recovery tools for full data protection. When the download finishes, open the installer file and follow the installation wizard. Click install and let the setup run. The installation usually takes less than a minute. After the installation finishes, launch the program. When it opens, you will see the main dashboard. One thing I really like about EaseUS Todo Backup is that the interface is extremely beginner friendly. So even if you have never created a backup before, you can set everything up in minutes. On the dashboard, click Create Backup button. Immediately, the software will present you with several backup options. File backup option lets you backup specific files or folders. It is perfect if you only want to protect your most important data. Disk backup creates a complete image of an entire hard drive. That means everything on that hard drive gets backed up in one single image. The OS backup option backs up your entire Windows operating system. It is extremely useful because if Windows ever crashes or becomes corrupted, you can restore your whole system exactly the way it was. You will also see the app data backup. This feature is designed to protect the data created on your applications, not just the apps themselves. Now, for most people, the easiest place to start is the file backup. The next step is selecting the exact files or folders you want to protect. From here, simply browse through your drives and locate the folders that contain your important data. Once you find them, just check the boxes next to the files or folders you want to include in the backup. It allows you to select multiple folders at once. Simply click OK to confirm your selection. Now the software knows exactly what data needs to be backed up. It's time to choose where your backup will be saved. Even the best backup is useless if it is stored in the wrong place. Click Destination on the backup screen. You will see several options for where you want to save your backup. The local drive section is for external drives, USB drives, or internal drives. Some users prefer the cloud backups for off-site protection and remote access. Network location is good if you are on a home or office network. It will enable you backup to a network drive or server. Security zone is a special protected area created on your drive that stores backups in an isolated environment. It helps you prevent backups from being accidentally deleted, modified, or affected by malware or ransomware. After making a decision, you will receive a prompt to create a backup folder. Simply click OK to proceed. For maximum safety, I recommend using an external hard drive. That way, even if your PC crashes, gets stolen, or suffers a hardware failure, your backup remains completely safe. Once you have chosen your destination, the software is ready to start saving your important files. But before you hit backup now, we will go over some optional settings that can save space, add security, and automate future backups. Let's walk through each one quickly. The backup mode is on image mode, which is perfect. This creates one clean compressed file that saves space and stays reliable. We are leaving this. Performance at normal compression basically helps backup efficiently without slowing your PC down. There's nothing to touch here. For backup splitting, we are customizing. By default, it is set to automatic, but I'm going to set a specific size. I will go with 4096 MB, which is 4 GB in chunks. because if something goes wrong mid-backup, you don't lose everything, just one chunk, which is a smart move. At the encryption section, we are turning it on. EaseUS uses the same encryption that banks use. I will set a password and confirm it. Write your password down somewhere safe. If you lose it, your backup is locked forever. At the custom command section, it is used for running scripts before or after a backup. This is for power users. Simply skip it for now. The offsite copy is a premium feature that sends your backup to a remote server automatically. It is brilliant for businesses. We'll skip it for now, but it is a solid reason to upgrade. As you can see, preserve file security settings is checked. Keep it like that, and also leave everything else as is. At the volume settings option, leave sector by sector off. It makes your backup file massive. Only use it on a failing drive. At the user account section, it is running as a system. This gives EaseUS full access to everything it needs, which is perfect. Leave it as it is. Our next move is to create a backup plan. This ensures our files are protected without you having to remember to run a backup manually. Click on the right side of the backup button screen, then select Backup Plan. Here you can choose how often you want the backup to run. Daily is great for important files or documents you update every day. Weekly is perfect if your files change less frequently. And the monthly option is good for archiving or less active data. Next, select the time of day you want the backup to start. EaseUS Todo Backup will run silently in the background, so you don't even have to think about it. Once everything is set, click Save. And that's it. Your backup is now fully automated, giving you peace of mind knowing your files are always protected. Simply click Backup Now. EaseUS Todo Backup will start creating your backup immediately. You will see a progress bar on the screen, so you can monitor the status, depending on how many files you are backing up. This could take a few seconds or a few minutes, but don't worry, the software handles everything automatically in the background. Once the backup is complete, it is very important to verify that everything worked correctly. To do this, click on a destination drive and confirm the backup was made. And that's it. Your files are now safely backed up. Backing up your files is only half the story. The real magic happens when you need to restore them. And with EaseUS Todo Backup, this process is fast, simple, and reliable. Here's how to do it. Open EaseUS Todo Backup. Select Browse to Recover at the top right corner of the dashboard. Now we need to select the location where the backup was stored. If you can recall, we stored it on our external drive. Find the backup task that contains the files you want to restore. When done, simply click OK. If your backup was encrypted, you would have to type the password before you can proceed. A window will pop up showing all the files in that backup. Choose where you want to restore them. You can put them back in their original location or select a new folder. Click Proceed and EaseUS Todo Backup will recover your files. And just like that, your important documents, photos, videos or work files are safely back, even if they were deleted or lost due to a system crash. By the way, don't forget, I have placed the official download link in the pinned comment below. When you use this link, you will also be able to see any active discounts or promotions that EaseUS is currently offering.